Well, it's become capitalism versus socialism for the most progressive Democratic presidential candidates. And they may have an ally in Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff. Speaking at a TechCrunch event last night, he had this to say about the future of capitalism.
I really strongly believe that capitalism as we know it is dead, that we're going to see a new kind of capitalism. And that new kind of capitalism that's going to emerge is not the Milton Friedman capitalism that it's just about making money.
Yeah, the landscape could certainly change for the wealthiest Americans if Elizabeth Warren is elected. She is touting her wealth tax plan, leading to a popular chant at her rallies. Robert Frank has more on this story for us.
Yeah, Kelly, they are the two words and the two coins that could reshape the elections and the economy.
A 2-cent tax.
You got to pitch in 2 cents.
A 2-cent wealth tax.
Yes, that is a 2-cent tax.
2 cents. That's become the rallying cry for Warren's growing ranks of supporters, referring to her wealth tax. That would be an annual tax of 2% on wealth over $50 million, or 2 cents of every dollar. Now, in practice, this plan is much more complicated and costly. It would raise over $200 billion a year, according to her economists. Taxpayers would have to estimate the current value of everything from cars and real estate to art and private companies. And yes, most European countries have abandoned wealth taxes because they raise less than expected revenue.
I'm doing the math, Robert.
Yeah.
So 2% on $50 million is
2% of every dollar over $50 million. So you keep your first $50 million.
Okay.
And then it's 2 cents of every dollar above that, unless you're a billionaire, which is 3 cents every dollar above $1 billion.
But still, so 2% of $50 million is $1 million.
Yeah.
So I see what you're saying. So, but for every marginal $1 million
That's right.
over that amount.
Exactly. And so, you know, it's only 70,000 families that are affected. So the reason this plan is so popular among 75% of voters, including nearly half of Republicans, is because unless you're worth $50 million, of course you're going to support it. Let someone else pay more taxes.
So 2 cents. These are the 2 pennies. We're going to be seeing a lot of these.
Yes.
And I think a lot of penny loafers is going to be the
Yes.
next fashion trend. Yes, on the Warren campaign trail. Robert, thanks very much.
You.
Robert Frank.
Yep.